Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere. Today, we're diving into the newly redesigned 2026 Honda Passport, a two-row SUV that's stepping out of its comfort zone to embrace rugged charm and off-road capability. Let's find out if this beast is worth the buzz. Since its comeback in 2019, the Honda Passport has balanced between the Car-V and the Pilot. But for 2026, Honda is stepping up the game. With a stiffer chassis, beefed-up suspension, and styling that screams adventure, the Passport isn't just tagging along, it's leading the pack. Think of it as the love child of a Toyota 4Runner and a Ford Bronco Sport, with its aggressive fender flares, bold front fascia, and revamped headlamp design. It's like Honda heard our prayers for something both functional and fierce. New year, new upgrades. The 2026 Passport now boasts a 285-horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission, an IVTM4 torque vectoring all-wheel drive system for faster and stronger traction response, larger brake rotors for better stopping power, a longer wheelbase, wider track, and improved ground clearance at 8.3 inches. And yes, the famous optional picnic table is back, because why not adventure in style? Under the hood, the Passport keeps the 3.5-liter V6 but now delivers 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. Paired with its new 10-speed transmission, the torque vectoring AWD system ensures precision and stability across 7 drive modes, perfect for trailblazers and road trippers alike. For off-road enthusiasts, the TrailSport edition stands out with General Grabber all-terrain tires, a unique suspension tune, and protective skid plates. Whether you're climbing rocks or cruising highways, this SUV adapts seamlessly. Step inside, and you'll notice the Passport has leveled up. Standard heated and power-adjustable seats provide comfort after a long drive. The TrailSport trim adds synthetic leather upholstery, all-season floor mats, and a panoramic sunroof. Feeling fancy? The TrailSport Elite pampers you with ventilated leather seats, a Bose audio system, and expanded ambient lighting. With an extended wheelbase, rear seat passengers now enjoy an extra 1.3 inches of legroom. The cargo area has also grown, making it perfect for camping gear or groceries. Tech lovers rejoice! The Passport now sports a 2.3-inch touchscreen, 54 larger than before, paired with a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster. It's loaded with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5 grams Wi-Fi, and Google Assistant, making it a tech paradise on wheels. Don't worry about staying connected on the road. With USB-C ports in the front and rear, plus a wireless charger, everyone's devices stay powered up. Safety is Honda's strong suit. The Passport comes with Honda Sensing, which includes automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and more. It's peace of mind, whether you're navigating rush hour traffic or exploring backroads. Honda reshuffled the trims for 2026. The base retail starts at an estimated $45,000, while the TrailSport Elite tops out at $51,000. The TrailSport model, with its rugged suspension and unique styling, feels like the sweet spot for adventurers. We'll update you on the official pricing once it's available. Stay tuned! The 2026 Honda Passport isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. From its enhanced off-road abilities to its tech-filled cabin, it's ready to tackle the road less traveled. But does it live up to its rugged promise? Only a full test drive will tell. That's all for today on Crazy Auto Premiere. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth car reviews. See you next time!